Hello everyone, this time the video is about negative ion formation and I will use chlorine to illustrate it. So chlorine atom will actually become chloride ion. Okay, chloride actually is the ion form of chlorine. We will have the IDE at the end. Okay, so as long as it's non-metal element they form ion, we will have IDE at the end here. So chloride ion. And secondly, how does chloride ion form? And you may consider the electron arrangement from chlorine atom and also chloride ion. Electron arrangement of chlorine atom is 287, and electron arrangement of chloride ion is 288. Okay, so based on the electron arrangement, can you tell me how does chloride ion form from chlorine atom? Is that the chlorine atom will actually gain one electron on the outermost shell, and become chloride ion. So after gaining one electron, it will become chloride ion. So you may write down here, gain one electron. Okay, why do they have to gain electron? Because after gaining the electrons, the chloride ion have 8 electrons on the outermost shell, which is octet, right? It also means that they have the stable octet structure, just like the electron arrangement of noble gas, like argon or neon. Okay, so with the 8 outermost shell electrons, this is what we call the octet structure. And the octet structure is actually very stable. And the chemical property of chloride ion is actually very stable. Okay, so let's take a look how do you write down the electron diagram of chlorine atom and chloride ion. For chlorine atom is so simple, right? So you just draw 3 shell, right? 1, 2, 3 shell. Okay. And then chlorine 2, 8, 7. And for the electron arrangement of chloride ion, this time is 288, right? So that you still have to draw 3 shell. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 shell. So chloride ion 2, 8, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pay attention. Here, there's 1 electron being added to the chlorine atom to form the chloride ion. So the 8th electron means that there's 1 electron we have to use different symbol to make a remark. Okay. So that we know that this electron is the electron gain. Okay, and after this, we have to consider the charge of chlorine atom and chloride ion. So for the charge of chlorine atom is actually 0. Why? Because the number of proton and number of electron is equal. So number of proton of chlorine atom is 17, and number of electron in chlorine atom is also 17. But how about for chloride ion? Number of proton and electron of chloride ion is number of proton is 17 because it only gained electron, but they didn't gain proton or lose proton. And electron after gaining 1 electron will become 18. Okay, so here is 18. And after gaining 1 electron, proton carry positive and electron carry negative, because number of electron is more than that of proton, and that's why chloride ion actually carry negative charge, -1. Okay, so for the electron arrangement of chloride ions, we have to show that the chloride ion actually carry 1 negative. So we have to use the middle bracket here and then write down minus on the top right hand corner. So the minus here actually means that's 1 minus. So we omit the 1. If it is 2 minus, then you have to write down 2. And after that, we have to consider, think about how to write down a symbol for the chlorine atom and chloride ion. So this one is very straightforward. For chlorine atom is Cl, this is the symbol. And for chloride ion, it is Cl minus on the right hand corner. Okay, so this is actually like similar to the electron diagram. Thank you.